Welcome back to my channel. If for subscribing, special fun of it if that's up.
Yes,
Guys, today we deal with 100 birds.
Hello, nice to meet you.
So now we are doing this book. Okay? So it's 100 birds. So guys, I will get you 10 seconds to get the birds.
This is the first one.
What is this bird? I will give you 10 seconds.
No feathers.
You were right, it's blue bird. Okay, now this. Okay, it takes seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 o'clock to do bird. Good. Thumbnail. Next week. So, I can give you a clue for this one. It does a hoot. Hoot to do. Do you think it?
It looks like owl.
Is a
owl.
owl, yes. And everybody, what's this one? Curly bird, right, you were right.
Curly bird.
This word is a peacock. That's a bird, but it has a business pattern.
It's very big.
So this says all of the birds, and they are doing actions. And then some birds can be crazy, some birds can just look like different. I never seen a kingbird. That's silly.
But Nelly, you missed some pages.
And glowbird.
Look,
Glowbird,
Christmas
Christmas bird.
Christmas bird. What crazy.
And look like tollbirds, blackbirds, like that. And they're doing actions. And then all of these birds are doing actions they know. And all of these, because the same pictures are doing it. And this one don't actually do an action. It just wave fire when she dances.
It's very
fire
big.
That's a firebird.
Yes.
And then other ones are, and then they are doing actions.
Oh,
and that's a
fat
one.
one.
And then all of these are doing actions as well. And this is the last part. Which one you think is the best bird?
So, Nelly, which one is your favorite?
The curly one.
And DJ, which one is your favorite?
I don't know what I want.
Firebird.
Well, what's your second favorite?
Mine is this one. I'm going fast one.
Mine is the
I wish mine.
kingbird. So that's the two.
But mine
And
is fat one.
the end. Guys, subscribe to our channel.
Yeah,
And come back to
bye.
our channel every day.
Yeah,
So bye.
Now post